First off, I've got my resin and my hardener, which is what makes the letters that you saw. Some of the things that I have learned is to put them in hot water and let them sit for a few minutes. They also have warmers that you can buy, but you will see through the process that they get bubbles in them, and the thinner that the liquid is, the easier the bubbles rise to the top, and you can, well, I'll show you along in the process, but that makes it easier. So I always want to wear protective gear because that gives off fumes. Mine is a low VOC, which is something that is a cancer causing agent. Mine is not as bad as some of them, but it's always better to be safe and wear your safety stuff. And yes, I feel amazingly sexy when I wear this stuff. And my husband loves it, who is behind the camera. Okay, so always wear gloves because it's really, really sticky. And then you'll have your measuring stuff. I started off with your plastic, not, knowing what I was doing and just kind of playing around, and it ended up turning into a business. But the best thing to get is your silicone, and I actually need to get some more because these, you can't, if you can zoom in, you can't see, but they have measurements, because whenever we measure our resin and our hardener, we really need to be able to see these better. So I'm going to get some that have these in dark so I can, make sure that the measurements are correct. But whenever you get done using these, they are much easier to clean up, because if you just let the stuff harden, it just peels right out. So, okay, here we go again.